everybody, this is Roxy, and I was contacted by CHALKOLA again to see if I would sample out their gouache paint set, and I said heck yeah. So I got it the other day. I thought I'd first show you what it looks like. I really, remember the chalk markers? They were big fat ones and little ones. That was a few years ago that I reviewed for them. And those were really cool, so I'm pretty excited about these and what happens. There. So, here we go. Hopefully my intro came through. All of a sudden my video quit. So here's the box. That's cool. Ooh. You get accessories too. Oh, nice. That's a nice knife. Oh, this will be fun. That's a nice palette knife. And some, oh nice, some brushes. That's a really good pack. Cool. Shows you what they do. A color chart on watercolor paper. Cool. So here they are. I had purchased some gouache from Artisan. I liked them. They were good. But they didn't have as many colors. And I did a Christmas card for last year with it. And I really fell in love. But I haven't done nothing since. It's been kind of busy. So it looks like we got some metallics, which are really cool. Of course. Okay, I was interrupted. Sorry about that. So there's some cool metallics. Looks like these two, pearl white, gold and rose gold. Very cool. Lots of colors. Ooh, tight. That's smart to put in two whites. Do they do two blacks? Just one black. See, I wish they would do a couple whites and a couple blacks in all of them. Very cool. So this is going to be fun. I will do a watch me make on this. And watch for that coming out. Thanks so much. Bye.